Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the PowerColor AMD Radeon 6900 XT. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. I've actually had to zoom the camera out compared to my normal unboxing videos. It's quite big. What is the box? It's like 395 millimeters wide by 225 millimeters high. It's quite a big box. Let's have a look around the sides of it. Lots of kind of interesting information on the back there about how it's assembled. Okay, let's get this giant thing out. Oh, it's kind of like almost like it's vacuum sealed in. Oh, that's quite nice. Quite a nice outer box. Okay, I'll ditch the foam. Okay, we've got a manual or a box or something here. Let's have a look at this. So a sticker. Something about being a member of the Red Devil Club. Oh yeah, some kind of competition form. You can send in pictures of your build. Okay, we've got the manual. Oh, some loose pages. This must have happened after they printed it. So looks like there should be a couple of brackets here, and it looks like one bracket can go into the other to make it much higher. That'll be to support the weight. Alright, got some instructions about the LED lead for connecting up LEDs to the motherboard. And a little piece a little bit in English here, which is just basically all your sort of standard assembly instructions. A little bit on the Windows software. Quick installation guide, and I think that's all the English we have. All right, we'll put all that stuff away. Okay, let's undo the main packaging. Okay, let's get the card out. Oh, right. Pull here down the bottom, that's obvious. I'll take that piece out. Alright, let's have a look at the main card. Oh, it's big. It's very big. Wow, that is a huge card. Got 3 8-pin connectors on the top there. You need to make sure you've got plenty of spare connectors on your power supply. Let's just have a quick look at the measuring tape on that one. Wow, about 320 millimeters long. That is big. That is a ginormous card. It's got a bit of weight to it as well, so I can understand why they might have had to do something with the bracket. All right, let's have a look at these little bits here. Okay, so this is a RGB lead with the sort of normal RGB addressable connectors. All right, let's have a look. Okay, these are, all right, so there's one bracket. Got a little thumb screw and some little other screws for attaching bits. What do we got here? All right, we'll come back to him. Okay, so the brackets have got self-adhesive pads on the bottom, so that makes it easy if you want to put it into a case. This must be what the card rests upon. So that would there would be what those screws for. You just set this at whatever height you need to support your card, and then the card will rest on that. And then it looks like you can take out these little screws here on the bottom and take that piece off, and you can slide this piece into the top of that one if you need a really high support. So yeah, it looks well packaged. So you got the brackets, some screws, lighting cables, and then the ginormous AMD 6900 XT. Okay, I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.